Okay, so we don't extend the pipe way, and for this side now, this upside, the inside toilet, we have our bath this side. This is the floor drain for the bath, and our wash and basin this side that we face here, and our floor drain for the WC. This is our WC here. As this one is for the vent. The same thing this side too. Our shower, wash and basin, floor drain and WC. The same thing this side. We have our shower here, our wash and basin this side, floor drain and WC, vent. And the same thing this side, the WC here, floor drain, the vent and the wash and basin, and the shower drain. Okay, this other wing